everybody, I'm Guyleen. Welcome to my channel. Yeah, I'm holding on to some ratchet glasses right now, aren't I? These are a mess and I'm gonna fix them. And I'm also gonna show you how I do pop sockets, not nails. Today's not about nails. But the news I have is kind of about nails because Madam Glam asked me if I wanted to do a couple of things using their products that was not my nails. And I'm like, sure, I can do that. I know exactly what to do. I'm gonna do my glasses and my pop socket and show you guys step by step how I do it. They are having a huge sale. Oh, that sounded weird. And it is a 2-day only sale, January 20th and the 21st. And you are going to get 50% off everything, as far as I know. It includes everything on Madam Glam. And my code is Guyleen50, Jan for January. You do have to purchase at least 3 things. So put 3 things in your cart and you're automatically going to get 50% off. And it doesn't matter, you can use buy as many things as you want to, but at least 3 things. I do have a link down below that will automatically take you there and add my link on the 20th and 21st. Now, if that link's not working yet, it's because the sale hasn't started yet. I am posting this video a few hours early, so at midnight it will go live. But I wanted to give you a chance and give you a little heads up. So these glasses are in bad shape. I use these glasses over my contacts in my nail room when I'm doing my nails, filming, doing somebody else's nails. And then a pop socket. So I always do my pop sockets. This one is some glitter that I overlaid with Madam Glam Builder Gel to encase it. And I'm going to do that on this pop socket. This one doesn't stick anymore. I've got a new sticky for it. So before I do that, I wanted to make something pretty, hopefully, that I want. We're going to start with my glasses, and I'm going to take my e-file and just quickly, I mean, it took me all of like 3 minutes to do both the earpieces because they're so tore up. It just pretty much flaked off. So you do want to at least rough up any existing paint on there. I don't know what they put. It was peeling off. So I did both of them, and then I wiped them off with acetone on a lint-free wipe, and I taped up my glasses. But as you can see, I mean, that really wasn't very smart because I taped up the inside, because if any polish is going to get on the glasses, it's going to be the inside, not the outside. I don't know what I was thinking. Duh moment. All right, so this is base coat, and we're going to put 1 coat of base coat. I put it all over both sides, and I cured that for 30 seconds. And then I'm going to take the polish, and I am using hot chocolate. It's a glittery, beautiful, really, really dark chocolatey, I guess, pink. And these glasses are not red. They're this exact color. I just couldn't believe I had polish that really, really matched the color of these glasses. But it's glittery. So I'm going to put a couple of thin coats of this glitter polish on both earpieces. And I did cure those for 60 seconds each coat. Even if it's thin, the glitter, I just felt like I wanted to make sure it was cured. And I am covering the top, bottom, inside. I didn't paint the very inside of it. But this really only took me a few minutes. and there's both sides. And then I'm going to take No Wipe top coat and paint over that, seal it in. I was so happy with these glasses because I mean they looked really bad, and even though nobody really sees it, I see it. So look at them, they're so cute and it matches so well. Yay! Alright, on to the pop socket. I am going to use rubber base because it's thicker, or you could use builder or regular polish, it doesn't really matter. But I took a file and I just kind of roughed that up first. And then I'm going to use this rubber base instead of regular base because it's a little uneven. I felt like the rubber base was going to be better. Builder gel would work too. Anything's going to work. Any gel base is going to work fine. But I just wanted to make it a little thicker. And I believe this color is Asia. And it didn't matter what color I used. But I'm just going to really kind of glob that on, smooth it out a little bit, make sure it's all covered. And then I just flipped it upside down and held it for a couple of minutes so that it would, you know, level out nice. Because it's kind of a large area, it's hard for you to get a brush to smooth it all out. And then I cured that for 2 full minutes, even though it probably didn't need it. But see, it's pretty dang smooth. And then I painted it black, and I'm gonna put matte top coat over that because the only reason I am is because I haven't decided if I'm gonna use powder or if I am gonna use magnetic, but I thought I might be using powder to outline the hearts I'm doing. In the end, I decided to use the gel paint, the gold gel paint, because I love that stuff. But I think now that I'm looking at it after it's done, maybe I should have used the powder because, oh, you'll see in a minute. Anyway, I'm just using just assorted Madam Glam magnetic gel polishes, and I'm just drawing some hearts, and I'm, you know, using the magnet and pulling them all out after each heart and curing each heart. So this one did take me a little while, not too long. I'm gonna say probably 15 minutes. And you know, if you buy anything, I absolutely recommend you getting the gold and the silver in this because this stuff is awesome. It does take a full minute, if not more, to cure because it is so thick and so opaque. So please remember that and go really thin with your coats. But it is so glittery and so gorgeous. Against the magnetic, that's the only reason I wish I would have used powder, just gold pigment powder around these to outline them, because it would have been more of a, you know, like gold foil. Oh, I also had gold foil. I had from the Advent box, I had gold foil. Oh my gosh, I could have done that. I didn't. Okay, anyway, I just went ahead and made some little, outlined the hearts and made some little designs. And then I'm top coating all of it. I did get pretty heavy on that top coat, and I'm just kind of smoothing it around. And then I am going to cure that for a full minute. Oh, I held it upside down again. Look how gorgeous. That's so cute. I'm really happy with it. And that's all I have for you. I did my glasses and a pop socket. So go check out Madam Glam. Get 50% off for 2 days. It is only one use. You can only use it once. So make sure you make a good decision. Thanks, you guys. Bye. Missed it. Did you get him? I know you're so happy your brother's home. Oh. He's gonna get you.
Take that, Master. Take that. Take that. $1 million.